Healthy, refreshing, and dipped in chocolate. Yes, please. Stay tuned for the easiest frozen yogurt bites recipe. Take a bowl and add 5 to 6 dates. Add a handful of blueberries and strawberries as per your serving size. Pour in 4 tablespoons of yogurt. And mix well. Drizzle 1 teaspoon of honey over the mixture. Sprinkle some chia seeds for extra crunch and nutrition. Mix everything thoroughly to combine all the flavors. Take a white parchment paper and carefully spoon the mixture onto the paper one by one. Place it in the freezer and let it freeze completely until solid. Meanwhile, prepare a double boiler by placing a pan over low heat and adding some water. Once the water starts to simmer and create steam, place a plate over it. Add medium-sized chocolate pieces to the plate. Stir with a spatula until the chocolate melts into a smooth texture. Take the frozen yogurt bites out of the freezer. Dip each piece into the melted chocolate, coating it evenly. Place them back onto the plate. Once chocolate is applied, put that in freezer to freeze the chocolate layer for a few minutes or so. Also, it can be stored in freezer for a few months to be consumed again. Yummy, this looked beautiful from inside. Who knew healthy could taste this good? Try these frozen yogurt bites and tell me what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.